Hello friends, today we will go over the process of importing demo content for Zilly Grocery Store WooCommerce WordPress theme. Go to the Appearance theme to add new theme. Click on Upload Theme, and for choosing file, look for exact zip file of Zilly Grocery Store WooCommerce WordPress theme. Click on Install Now. It will take few seconds to be done. Now click on Activate and get a list of required plugins to begin installing plugins. Select all the plugins to install and click on Apply. While done, click on Return to Required Plugins Installer and again select all to activate, then Apply. Now back to the dashboard, go to the Appearance, then Import Demo Data. This is the interface. There are two types of import, auto import and manual import. And under this auto import, you can import all these demos. Click any one of it to continue and import content. Now click Visit Site to view. Zilly Grocery Store WooCommerce WordPress theme is a versatile and highly customizable theme that is designed especially for online grocery stores, built with WooCommerce integration, and offers seamless product management, quick checkout options, and a user-friendly shopping experience. With its modern and clean design, Zilly is ideal for online grocery shops. Thank you for watching.